Hey, Dan Fitzpatrick here at stockmarketmentor.com, and I featured Nutanix. I guess that's how you pronounce it. It kind of seems like something you put on a sandwich, but anyway, featured this a while ago when the stock was holding here just below 30, right? So it's $30. You could see a really nice looking reversal pattern here. I remember even noting kind of an inverse head and shoulder pattern here. That's a really bad left shoulder, but left shoulder, head, right shoulder. You could make that case and get in earlier. This would be the two neckline points right there. Drag this through and you get a breakout here. Bumps its head against the ceiling, pulls back to this prior resistance, current support level. Pinches. I mean, this has been a really good pattern, and I think it goes even higher. Pinches here, breaks out, keeps going. This was a classic volatility squeeze, and if you didn't get the last video, then you may still be in the stock, but not because of me. But if you did, you're in the stock, and this is what I would say. I wouldn't pay attention to this low volume here because we only traded half a day, and it's still higher than average volume. So this is a stock that's still being bought. It's walking up along the upper Bollinger Band, not even, basically hardly even coming into the Bollinger Band complex. I think you stay long this stock. If you buy it now, you're chasing. I can't tell you whether that's a good thing or not. You just have to see how it is on Monday. But the bottom line is, I think this stock's going higher, and it should. I'd be surprised if it didn't test 40, and that's another 5 or 6% higher here. So one thing before I let you go, we're having a special. It's the Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Thanksgiving, thank you sale. You can get a 60-day free trial. That's 60 days of me for nothing. If you get a deal on basic training, which is a one-day course that I taught a while ago, it was a live event, and it was a combination, fundamentals and technicals, basically showing our traders how to look for growth stocks, how to find growth stocks, and then how to trade them. That was a really good course. It was very, very well received. People made a lot of money on it, and I want you to do that too. So here's what you do. Get that course, get free, 60 days for free, and apply what you have learned in that course. In fact, if you're really intent on this, take advantage of that and even email Gary, my brother, Gary at stockmarketmentor.com, and say, you know what? I got the course. I want to take a week to study the course. Can you delay the start of my access to the website until I finish taking the course? That way, you've got all the material that I'm teaching you in basic training before the clock even starts running on your 60 days. Bottom line is, I know this is going to help you make money. If I didn't know that, I wouldn't have produced that product, and frankly, I sure wouldn't be telling you right here, right now, to buy it. This is my reputation, and I value it more than you can imagine. So anyway, this is good stuff, and I want you to take advantage of it, okay? I'll see you on Monday.